looking at how we're supposed to, if you're using Trebedit, how to actually bring your image to appear in your folder so that you can use your image either as a link, or you can use your image to do, to put your image in your web page. You understand? The image must appear in this folder. The image must appear in this folder. You understand? Just as you have these files, the image must appear as a file in this folder. Same with all these files before it will work. You understand? So how do we now import the image to appear here? The first thing is you click on, after when you come to this place, by clicking this folder sign up here, you next thing look at this plus sign here. You click on the plus sign. That plus sign that you see there, you click on it to take you to somewhere. That is, you click on this plus sign that I see here, so it will take you. So let's see. So you can see it takes you to import. So you click on import. So you can see allow Trebedit, blah blah blah. So we allow. Okay. And so you're seeing that it's trying to open the image. So now you go somewhere and select your image. So this is the image. Let's say this is the image you want to use. So you click on it. So let it load. So after loading, you can see it here as JPG. You can see the file. You can see now. You see what I'm talking about. Look at the picture, the image. Look at file, the ones that are created. Look at the image. So this is what it's supposed. These are supposed to be, so that you'll be able to use any image that does not appear here. You'll not be able to use it. You understand? You cannot go to your picture and copy and then come and no. It must appear here. You must bring it here. You understand? And so when you bring it here, the next thing you can see that is very long. The name is long because you need the name. It's long. So what do? Find a way to shorten this name. How do you shorten this name? Very simple. Now, if you want to shorten the name, look at these 3 dots by the side. You can see the 3 dots by the side. You just click on those 3 dots. And then you can see rename. When you click on those 3 dots by the side of the image, you now see rename. This is rename down here. You click on the rename. So you can see now you can rename. Don't remove the JPG. Very important. That is the extension. It's just like removing HTML. Once you remove HTML from your file, it will not be HTML work again. So don't remove the JPG. You only remove the long name and give it a name that you want. Let's say my short name, my.jpg. You understand? Then you rename. So you can see it is short because I need this name. You understand? So as it appears here, my.jpg, that is how I'm going to use it. You can see the image. All right. So now let's go to my page where I'm designing, and then that is how you bring your image to your folder for use. You understand? So if you want to use it for whatever purpose, from there you now use it. So now, that you successfully imported your image, you understand, is now in your folder. So now you can use it to do whatever you want to do. So if you're using Trebedit, this is how to actually import your picture to be in your folder so that you can use it for links or putting image in your web page that you're designing. So thank you seriously for watching this video.